Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of how to install Ubuntu using WSL on your Windows 11 machine. And it's going to be pretty straightforward. What we'll do is open up a terminal and open. And the command is pretty straightforward. So we just do list online, Control C, Control Shift V. There are the available distributions, and let's take a look at which one we want, which is this one, 2404, which is the newest. And actually, 24 is not the latest. Let's double check here. Yeah, 2404. I believe they've released 24.1. But we'll go with 2404 in the meantime, and so that's pretty straightforward. Copy this, Control Shift V, install, and we are on our way to having a local Ubuntu installation on our Windows 11 machine. I'm going to pause this while it takes its time. And we're back. That only took about a minute, which is pretty cool. We're going to use a new username, so I'm going to use my username. And let's see what happens. New password. New password. All right, and now we are in, I believe we are in a Linux installation. And let's take a look. Okay, run and configure. All right, so now we do this command. Let's hope this works. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try sudo apt update. And now we are away. Fetched, looks like it's pretty good. And now let's go ahead and grab this, Control C, Control Shift V. And now it's going to do all the upgrades and updates. I will pause while this takes some time. Okay, we're done. Nothing on LS. And the question is, of course, how do I activate this? How do I actually access the Ubuntu environment? And we're back. So to check on which version we're using Ubuntu 2404. And let's clear this. And to check which version of Bash we're running, there it is, 5.2. And which version of Git we're running, we're good to go. So that's looking positive. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.